How much do you love packing for a cruise?
I hate packing for a cruise. You need like 6 different outfits a day. A dressy dinner, a bathing suit, a daytime outfit. Like, who's got this much stuff? Or wants to bring this much stuff?
I was gonna say, it looks like you do.
Excuse me?
This is our first cruise experience as we're first timers here. And we are learning on the fly, learning new things like by the hour on what to bring, what not to bring. And it's a struggle because we can only fit everything in 2 checked bags. Unless we pay more for Spirit.
No. We're not paying any more money. We don't need to pack 8,000 bags of things.
I agree.
Even though we apparently do. I've already packed some things that I know that I'm going to bring. Just like some clothes for myself. Everyone's rain jacket because we are going in November and there's quite a bit of rain on the forecast. Hopefully it doesn't rain, but we'll see. And some wipes for Wyatt. But I must say, packing for this cruise has been quite difficult. You need like nighttime dressy outfits and then daytime outfits and then like bathing suits, and for someone who doesn't like to overpack or tries not to overpack, my gosh, I just barely know where to begin. Clearly from our bed situation right now, that is obvious. It looks like a bomb went off in here.
We got 1 day left until the trip. I have a quick little errands list. Wyatt and Taylor are on a play date, so trying to knock this stuff out before the big travel day tomorrow. Okay, first item down. Got some cash here. We never really use cash, but I figured I should have some small bills because I'm going to be using shuttles since we're not taking a car seat, and I'll probably get some help with bags and stuff. So I got a ton of ones. This is probably the most amount of cash. It's only $200, but the most amount of dollar bills that I've ever had in my hand. I am a credit card guy, points and miles guy, so cash is never on hand here. But we're prepared.
Rock 1041.
Oh, okay, we are done. Time to go home and finish packing. So what do we want to bring? We need to bring the GoPro. We need the 360 camera. This is the 360 camera. You say 360 camera? Look at this. Tell them what we got. We got a drone. Point to the drone. Good job. We got the drone, GoPro, Insta360 camera. We have in my hand Sony a7 IV. All our hard drives, our backup, edit drive, pictures drive, and an additional backup. And then we have the selfie poles, the USB-Cs, little handy travel adapter, which I love this thing. And then we have our water mount, additional batteries. Are we ready to go? Yeah. Yeah. You getting the boarding passes? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Okay, we got them. So we tend to make our travel days a little bit more intense because we decide to vlog them when we travel with a family and a toddler. So that's what you're in store for today.
Sorry I didn't finish the packing experience. I know I left you guys like 2 days ago starting packing, but it has been a hectic 2 days, and trying to pack everything we need as well as what Wyatt needs has been like pretty last minute. So we're still, it's 6:19 in the morning. We leave in approximately like an hour and 20 minutes and we're still not fully packed. And we're still measuring our bags, which are overweight.
overweight by 13 pounds. It's wild. I mean, it's not wild because we pack so much for a freaking cruise. It's ridiculous. I feel like I should take clothes out. This feels good.
It's like 45.
Yeah, we're good.
What you doing?
Gotta get my seed germinated. Picked the wrong time to aerate. Back here's looking good. The front yard is a disaster.
Isn't it always?
What?
Isn't it always?
It's a disaster. It's horrible. I hate it. This one back here is looking good though.
So last week, Kevin decided to aerate, seed, fertilize, all that kind of stuff. And we've been in like the biggest drought since like ever over here in New Jersey. And so we've been watering it every single day, waiting for it to like germinate or whatever. And now we're going away for 7 days and all of his hard work could come to an end. How's your apple? Is it good?
Yeah.
Yummy apple. Do you want that skin? Can I have that skin? Thank you. From mommy?
Ding.
Thank you.
Ding.
Skin. Apple skin. Yeah, you're struggling getting through it.
Walking.
Apple skin.
You coming on the cruise?
I'm going on the cruise, baby.
Oh.
Cruise.
Are you going on the cruise?
Going on the cruise?
Bud, are we gonna go on a big boat?
We just did some
Port and stern.
shuffling with the luggage. Grandpa and Grandmom have additional pounds, so we moved stuff into theirs. We're finally ready to go. One thing we learned traveling with a family is it's always easier if you have a lot of luggage in a big group to drop them off and send one person to the rental car, or send someone to drop off the rental car or to go park. Because who wants to lug all that luggage around, especially when they're 50 pounds when you're going to a cruise ship like it is right now. So small little tip that we do all the time and highly recommend it. We also like to be one of the last people to board the plane because when we check our bags, we don't have any need for overhead storage, so we can afford to board the plane later and let the little man get all of his energy out so he's chill on the plane and relax instead of sitting there during pre-boarding getting all antsy. All right, say thank you.
Get go.
I dropped this down at the bottom, right? Okay.
Thank you. You ready?
Yeah.
Me too.
Thank you.
I know. That's why I took you. Whoa, you see the plane?
Yeah.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard the Great Airlines.
Here we go. We're going on.
How about F is for ribbit?
it. So I'm convinced that Kevin does not know how to just relax on a plane. Usually he's editing a vlog or doing something like that. And right now he is literally studying the map of the loop and then looking out the window to see what the right track is.
For context, we are going to be buying a boat after the cruise. So we're going to be taking our boat all over the eastern side of the United States, and along the coast here is a big portion of that loop. So yes, I'm doing my homework.
Can you relax on a flight?
No. I hate relaxing.
No relaxing ever.
Ever. I hate it. This feels good. This feels really good. So we are new to the cruise world. This is going to be our first cruise ever. But apparently you want to get to port the day before. God forbid your flight is delayed. You don't want to be late for your cruise because the cruise does not wait for you. So we popped down here right next to the Fort Lauderdale airport, and
The week we get back from Europe,
we're just hanging out here until tomorrow when we're boarding the cruise. Cheers, everyone. For our hotel of choice, we went with the Hyatt House because there is an airport shuttle that is free from the airport to the hotel, obviously, and then there is a paid shuttle to the cruise port, or you could probably Uber, which might be cheaper if you didn't have a baby and didn't need a car seat. But this place is nice because there's a bunch of restaurants all around. Super convenient, so we can hang out here. We can go into like the little shopping strip, go shopping. There's a Sprouts. We can go to the restaurants, and then when we're back here, we have plenty of room because this is the Hyatt House, so it's kind of like a condo timeshare vibe rather than like a true hotel room. What are you doing, maniac?
Say, I'm taking a nap. I'm taking a nap. I'm taking a nap.
Not bad. So there's plenty of space here. It's a good spot if you're going to a cruise in Fort Lauderdale and flying into Fort Lauderdale because you don't live in the area to drive to the cruise port.
Wyatt is loving just hanging out in the hotel room. What are you doing, bud? Right now he's locking me out of the bedroom. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We also got quite lucky with the dates of our cruise and the activities around the area. The Philadelphia Flyers were in town to play the Florida Panthers, so the boys went to the game while the ladies and Wyatt hung back at the hotel and went out to dinner and played some cards. Unfortunately, the Flyers lost, but the game was fantastic and even went into a shootout. Okay, you ready to go on the boat, big boy?
Thinks he's like walking a dog.
You ready to go on the boat?
No.
No! Why are we here? So we booked the shuttle directly from the hotel, which is a bit pricey. I feel like the true tourist here. So the shuttle service is $16 each way. Back to the airport is another $16, so $32 per person round trip, which is a little steep, but we don't have to worry about car seats for the little man with these, so it's worth it in our eyes.
the boat? No. We can probably get apples on the boat. Do you want to see if we can get an apple on the boat?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's
go. All right. We're headed on.
My freedom, I become a slave. Lay on your shore and be washed by your waves.
We are officially cruisers. Walking on the cruise right now. Still can't really believe it, to be honest with you.
I don't care for riches nor name.
Now that we're on the ship, the first thing to do is go right to our room to meet our room steward, I believe. The check-in process was pretty seamless.
Pretty seamless. It would have been chaos had there been more people, but I don't know if we just got lucky. But it didn't really seem like it was too busy, and we came at like 12:30, which we thought was prime time. Veranda.
Sounds so elegant. Veranda.
We're on the Titanic.
Don't say that. I thought about it, and then I was like, oh, that is like bad juju. Mr. and Mrs. Mathers.
Okay.
Here we are. Our key cards are inside.
Mr. and Mrs. Mad.
Look at this. All 3 in a row.
Oh no, it just says here.
All right. What are we thinking?
All right, time to find
And a
out.
1 and a 2 and a 1, 2.
Mike got his own key.
Alright.
It won't work though.
Thank you.
Gotta do it kind of quick. Oh, it's not. Oh, we have a tub. Perfect.
Okay.
All right, some closet space, some towels. Ooh, some robes.
Look at that view.
Whoa.
See? You're in a little place for a little bit.
Wow, bud, this is home. Pretty nice.
Where's your crib?
Yeah, this isn't bad, honestly.
Yeah, we don't have a crib yet,
It's okay.
but that's okay. Hi,
Wait,
bud.
oh, there's railings we can't get through. All right.
Cool. What do you think, bud?
Sweet. We got a porch.
It's a heavy door. I
With
don't.
a bed.
What do we think?
It's nice.
It's nice.
It's a great
It's nice.
view and all.
Yeah, I think the balcony is huge.
Oh yeah.
We even got a gift. I'm sure everybody gets a gift, but let's see what it is.
No.
Chocolate covered strawberries.
How come you got chocolate covered strawberries?
You didn't get chocolate covered strawberries?
No.
I was literally just saying, I think everyone probably got this little gift.
No.
You didn't get it?
Thank you for joining us on this Caribbean adventure. Wow. And it's written to Mr. Wyatt Carter Mathers. Who cares about the parents?
That's hysterical.
How cool is that?
How are
Are
the
you drinking? Are you eating?
strawberries?
Wyatt doesn't like chocolate, so
They're
for me.
Yeah.
he does like strawberries though. So I should probably leave him this part since the chocolate fell off. But they're pretty good. I don't really like chocolate covered strawberries either, but we'll do.
Okay, we are officially cruisers. We're gonna hopefully go back to the room, meet our steward, and then we're signing off for the day.
Hopefully get little man down for a nap.
And we are
God bless.
cruisers. Our luggage is here, so as much as we want to go have some drinks, we gotta get this guy down for a little nappy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And empty out our suitcases so they're not in the way. The secret tip is to store your suitcases underneath the bed
Yeah.
so you save room, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Say bye-bye, everyone.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. We're signing off. In the next video, we'll give you guys a tour of the ship as well as a little room tour. And we'll see you on our second day of the cruise.